Okay, good day, my friends. How are you doing today? Well, it's been a long time since I did a video about RoyalQ. So today I want to make a video on how to, replenish your trades so that you can get out of floating loss as soon as possible. Okay, I have 8 coins already in the deep, though we are beginning to see bullish move gradually. For my Ethereum you can see, for my Doge you can see, BTC you can see. Okay, how do I quickly move out of floating loss? Okay, for BTT I have 24% dip, that's it, 24% 0.46. okay, if you look at the details again, you can see the details up here. You can see minus 24%. okay, how do I move out of this floating loss? It's been happening for 1 month now. How do I get out? Okay, you click on buy. I hope you saw it. Click on buy. This is still this is where you must focus on. This is your profit or loss position, minus 24%. So how do you do it? You click on market price. So this is a market price currently. We are in the deep and we expect it to rise from this position. So it's very good to buy at this point, because soon we will experience a boom in the market and everything will move out of loss to profit. So I quickly need to take very good advantage of this deep position to buy more. Okay, market price, then you come to your USDT, then look at what will happen. If I have enough USDT on Binance and I want to replenish quickly, so I could go from 50, see it dropped from 24 to 17%, right? So this means if that's 17%, right? So it moved from 24% down to 17%. okay, look at what will happen if I should try $100. wow, that's 14%. So it will drop drastically from the current position of minus 24% loss to minus 14% loss. If I should buy at the current market price, right, a $100 worth of BTT at this current market price, I am going to move out of floating loss of 24% down to 14%. okay, let's see if I have up to $200. wow, it has dropped to 9%. Did you see that? It's floating around 10% to 9%. This is 10%. It has gone down to 9%. okay, wow, I have more funds and I really want to move out. I'm curious to move out of this floating loss. Can you see that? That means if the percentage, if there is a big bullish run, right, and I'm able to make, the market price of BTT is able to rise by 10%, that means I'll be making 3% of my trade. 3% of my trade, because minus 7 out of, take away 7 out of 10, you have plus 3. So I'll make 3% of this trade if it should move up 10%, which of course it can do, because we all came down from 24% above down to this position. So it's easy, we can make that 7%. You can see it's 7% right now. So what if I have 400? It moves down to 6. What if I have 500? It moves down to 5. So that's how it goes. If you have 1000 USDT, it moves down to 2.95%. easily. This target can be achieved. You can move out of floating loss if you see, if the price actually rises above minus 2.98%. Let's say for example the price rises by 3%, or it rises by 4%. That means you will be making 1.02% if it rises by 4%. 1.02% on your that's you know, that's 4%. If it rises by 4%, that's 4% on 1,000 USDT. That's 10 on 1,000 USDT if it rises by 4%. And that will be, you know, the current ones you already have. That will be, you know, I can't do the mathematics now, so let's just assume 4% on 1,000 USDT. If your market price should rise up to 4%, that's 4% minus 2.98, then you would have 1 point something percent, and that's what you make on the current ones. Okay, that's, and if you have 1,000 USDT and you are able to go with this trade, then you click confirm. You click confirm, and once you confirm, it buys. And once you make 4%, you will get out of the loss of 2.95%, and then you have 1.05% profit. That's a good one to move out of that. Okay, that's at that. Okay, let's try. Let me see. I want to keep it short. Thank you. That's how to go. You can do that for each of these other coins. Let's say buy for Shiba. Let me do it at market price very quickly. Let me use 300. With 300 from 37 to 12 with 1,000. That's from 37 to 5% easily. Shiba can rise 7%, 10%, and I'm out of floating loss. Thank you. I'll keep it short. Thank you. That's how you do for each one of it. Yeah, you can simply move from BTT. Once you get out of that, you load Shiba. You move out of that, you load the next one till you move out of floating loss for each of these coins. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.